Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to whip up a delicious and easy to make dish, kimchi fried rice. This Korean dish is not only tasty, but it's also packed with nutrients and flavor. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of chopped kimchi, 1 tablespoon of gochujang Korean chili paste, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg, sesame seeds and green onions for garnish. Now, let's get cooking. 1. Heat up the vegetable oil in a pan. 2. Stir fry the kimchi and gochujang for about 2 minutes. 3. Add the rice and mix well, cooking until it's heated through. 4. Drizzle the rice with sesame oil and top it off with a fried egg. 5. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and green onions, and voila! Your kimchi fried rice is ready to be devoured. Thank you for joining me in this tasty adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!